Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to edit Clash of Clans videos. First, let's talk about planning. Before you even hit record, think about your video's goal. Are you showcasing a new attack strategy, a base build, or perhaps a funny moment? Knowing your objective helps you capture the right footage and keeps your editing focused. Consider what your viewers want to see and how you can deliver it effectively. Now, let's move on to capturing your gameplay. High-quality footage is the foundation of a great video. Use a dependable screen recorder on your device, ensuring it captures at least 30 frames per second for smooth, fluid motion. Don't forget about audio. Record clean game sound and any voiceover separately if possible, as this gives you more control during the editing process. A crisp recording makes a huge difference. With your footage captured, it's time for the essential editing techniques. Start by trimming out any dead air or irrelevant sections to keep your video concise and engaging. Next, add some background music that fits the mood of your gameplay and strategically place sound effects to highlight key moments. Don't forget text overlays and simple graphics to explain strategies or emphasize important details. These elements truly elevate your content. Finally, let's explore some advanced edits and the crucial export process. Experiment with subtle transitions between clips to ensure a seamless flow, and consider adding mild visual effects to emphasize certain actions. Color correction can make your footage look more vibrant and consistent. When you're finished, export your masterpiece in a high-definition format, like 1080 pixels, to ensure the best quality for your audience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.